Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Mrs. Tanvi Desai presenting Week 3, Day 3, Language with Ease, Usha Pandit, Textbook English 2. Week 3, Day 3, Sentence Analysis. Punctuate the sentence. With a lot of trouble, the police were able to find the missing precious diamond. Children, before punctuate the sentence, first we have to decide this is a statement, question, or explanatory sentence. This is a statement, so in the end of the statement we have to put full stop. Second thing we have to see, is there any proper noun in this sentence? If it is there, we have to capital the first letter of the proper noun. Then I could not found any proper noun in this sentence, so we go to next third step, that is we have to put capital letter on the beginning of this sentence. And remember children, not only in this sentence but also wherever you write paragraph, you have to put full stop after every new sentence. We have to capital start with the capital letter after every full stop, after every whenever we start a new sentence. So answer is, with a lot of trouble, comma, the police were able to find the missing precious diamond. So we can read like this: with a lot of trouble, the police were able to find the missing precious diamond. Now we analyze the sentence. Whenever we done this, we have to remember, we have to write with first word of the sentence, and because so that we could not forget any word from it. So we'll start with with. With is a preposition. Then a lot of is a adjective phrase. It's a group of word but without a verb and has no perfect meaning. Then trouble is a abstract noun and it's a uncountable noun. We know children that abstract noun always will be uncountable. And trouble is a abstract noun. We cannot count the noun trouble, okay, how much trouble they face, one trouble, two trouble, right? Then the is of course an article. Police is a common noun, it's an uncountable noun, and it's a common gender because they not talk about police men or police woman. They say that police, so it's a group of police, men and women. So it's a uncountable noun. It can be man or a woman, so it's a common gender. Then were able is a compound noun and it's a action verb, and it's a past tense because was and were is a verb of past tense, and able is a action word, and to verb is there, so is a compound verb. Then to is a preposition. To find is a imposture verb with to plus verb is a imposture verb. Then missing is a adjective as well as is a action verb with ing form, but no verb with it, no any past, present or future tense verb is with is, so it is a imposture verb. Then precious is a adjective because it's used for noun diamond. Diamond is a noun, it's a common gender, it's a singular, and it's a countable noun and neuter gender, right? We can count diamond, and here diamond is written, not diamonds, so it is a singular. Now we'll go to answer orally. Say whether the nouns are countable or uncountable. So our nouns are trouble and police. So trouble is a uncountable noun, diamond is a countable noun, police is a uncountable noun. Mark as the word that would go with trouble and diamond to make a phrase. Children, we know very well phrase is a group of word which don't have the verb with it and does not have complete sense. Okay, so in this sentence, a lot of trouble, the missing precious diamond are phrases. Then question number 3. Change adjective to show size, shape, quality, condition, color or number. Answer is a lot of. I change it with little, much, some and several. Then another adjective, missing and precious, I change it with large, small, huge and brilliant. Then 5 number. Find the imposture and say what part of speech it is. To find is a verb and missing is an adjective. Change the tense of the verb to 2 more tenses. Children, we know that our sentence is in past tense, so we have to change this sentence in present tense and is future tense. So first we change this sentence in present tense. With a lot of trouble, the police are able to find the missing precious diamond. Here children, are is a verb of present tense. Okay, then future tense. With a lot of trouble, the police will be able to find the missing precious diamond. So here children, will be is a verb of future tense. Okay. Now children, conjugation of verb decide. Children, this video I have already sent you. Just go through that video. Thank you.